Kali ini kita akan melihat bagaimana seorang luar negeri yang ketika orang Amerika ketika mencari sebuah penginapan di Bali, sebuah kontrakan istilahnya ya, bahasa sini ya, sebuah kontrakan di Bali, apakah dia terasa murah atau mahal? Kita lihat dulu guys ya, apa pendapatnya.
$50 USD can get you monthly in Bali, Indonesia. I'm sorry, y'all.
This is going to be where I'm staying at far as the area, and this is more of what I wanted. This is actually considered an apartment. It has a first floor and a second floor. The room, I have a king size bed that already comes furnished. They come with a cleaner that comes twice a week. They offer, gallons of water. And this is actually considered a studio, but studio apartments are always in one room. This actually has 2 floors, so I can't beat it. All praise due to the Most High. And as I told you guys before, I did not know the address until I got here, because the way that their addresses are set up, you really don't know until you get here. And look, 2222, the universe. It's always divine and on time.
So upon entrance, this is the living room. There is a TV that comes with Netflix and everything else. It comes with Wi-Fi. This is just the kitchen area. Remind you guys, this is labeled a studio apartment. What studio apartment do you know that has a first floor, a second floor, and then you get to the top and it looks like this? Spacious.
Baby studio apartment where? Studio apartment where? And this is labeled the studio. Own balcony. They have Wi-Fi, the AC works. Just wow. Only thing that I truly do have to go get is a memory foam pad for this bed, because y'all know Auntie got bad neck. So yeah, that's the only thing. Everything else is wonderful.
When I say the universe is really divine, look at the letter on the door. It says A. My name is Ariel. Like, get it together. So this is my landlord. She is so kind and so sweet and so loving. Like, she hooked me up. She got me together. Don't mind my dirty bags. But yeah. So we end up leaving that $550 apartment. That wasn't really even an apartment. It was more of a shared space that was labeled as an apartment technically, but I will say that God did his big one once again, because I landed me a nice studio apartment. The address is literally 2222. If you're not spiritual, if you're not divine, I've been catching numbers since 06, literally. I just don't broadcast it and I don't post about it anymore. But the fact that it happened in numerology, far as my address and far as where I will be residing, that is divine. That is that's the best part of this journey to me personally, is that also it's because I'm spending less money. This place was 8.9 million IDR, and where I'm staying at now is 6 million IDR. So all praise due to the Most High. Stay tuned. I do have a lot of Bali content coming. I know you guys want to see me out eating food and having fun, so continue watching my videos and follow me, y'all. Love you. Bye.
Itu guys ya, kita lihat komen-komen. Oke, kita lihat komennya ya guys ya. Nah, ini satu-satu komennya nih. If you are from Bali, stop telling me it's cheaper for the locals. I am American, US, and this a wonderful price. We pay 2,000 USD for rent, so I do not care if this is expensive for the local. Oh, mungkin ini sang kreator ya guys ya. Jadi, wah itu kemahalan. Mungkin dia lihat video ini kan, orang-orang para netizen lokal atau Indonesia melihat video ini dan wah itu kemahalan itu. Jadi ini agak sombong dikit ini ya mungkin. Jangan bilang itu mahal, karena bagi kami itu sangat murah dengan pemandangan yang sangat bagus. Jadi ya biarinlah mereka ya guys ya, mereka kan duit mereka sendiri. Kadang gini loh ya, kan kadang ada yang ditipu kan. Itu sebetulnya itu salah satu perhatian orang Indonesia lainnya ya, netizen, biar Anda itu tidak kena tipu gitu loh, biar Anda bisa mempertimbangkan gitu loh. Tapi kalau jawabannya gini ya udahlah, biarin aja, atau duit mereka sendiri ya guys ya. Tapi juga ya kan apa istilahnya, itu untuk nama baik Indonesia sendiri ya guys ya. Jadi ya biarin aja. Wah, komennya pada mau pindah ke Bali, semoga pemerintah bisa buat kebijakan deh. Udah banyak berita warga asli Bali mulai tergeser karena banyak aset mulai dijual, ya begitulah. Yeah, this problem is going on globally around the world. I'm just one person doing what is best for me. Ya gitu, melihat Bali propertinya segala macamnya itu udah mulai murah dan terkenal murah, kemudian mereka membeli properti di Bali gitu loh, dengan mungkin atas nama orang lain atau bagaimana gitu ya, ya dibeli di sana karena ya mereka cukup dana, bagi mereka itu murah begitu ya guys. Jadi dibeli dengan pemandangan yang indah seperti di Bali begitu. It's cheap even for me as Indonesian citizen. Nice catch. Oh, ini ada juga yang mau nih guys, wah itu murah itu bagi Indonesia. Ya itu tergantung sudut pandang kita ya guys ya. Namanya harga itu kan tergantung kita masing-masing kekuatannya. Kalau kita tidak kuat ya dianggap mahal, kalau jauh di bawah di atas kekuatan kita ya agak murah gitu ya guys ya. Nah ini ada yang tanya, hi, where is the location? Where this? Who trying to move with me? Single mom here trying to start over. Wow, kok gini, malah ada yang mau ngajak kumpul. Jadi komentar-komentarnya ya guys ya, banyak yang terpana melihat kemurahan ini dan mereka tertarik. Di sisi lain makin banyak orang-orang luar yang ke Bali, dan itu tadi juga mengakibatkan orang-orang lokal menjual asetnya, dan akhirnya beberapa tahun lagi nanti ya juga akan seperti daerah-daerah lain ya guys ya, asetnya akan dimiliki oleh para pendatang. Sebetulnya bukan hanya ini cerminan ya guys ya, seperti cerminan yang ada di Kalimantan atau di tempat-tempat lain. Ketika ada pendatang dari Pulau Jawa, kemudian mulai mereka membeli aset-aset atau tanah-tanah orang lokal, dan akhirnya orang lokal tergusur kayak gitulah. Ini cerminan sebetulnya ya guys ya, dari sikap manusia sendiri. Tapi ini bedanya, tarafnya udah bukan orang lokal sesama orang lokal, tapi orang luar negeri, itu yang mungkin agak miris ya guys ya. Oke, itu aja guys.